Despite these initial setbacks, the colony at Jamestown became profitable by growing tobacco for sale in Europe. By 1619, Jamestown was exporting tons of tobacco to England for the new fashion of smoking. Jamestown's new tobacco economy created a labor shortage. The need for laborers was so great that early settlers attempted to enslave the area's Native American Indians. However, these Indians were unwilling to be used as forced laborers and often escaped into the surrounding forests. The first enslaved people from Africa arrived in the colony in 1619, as well as the first women. As the success of tobacco planting spread, using African slaves would grow to become the foundation of the Southern agrarian economy. Later, the area of colonial settlement spread from Jamestown to other parts of Virginia. The capital of the colony was moved to Williamsburg. Virginia eventually had both rich plantation owners and smaller farmers, and grew to become one of the wealthiest colonies. Click on the video to watch it. Remember, you can expand the video by clicking in the bottom right corner.
To get by ship from England to Jamestown.
For more information on Jamestown, check out this link.